Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI, the comparison between Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT has become a central point of discussion. While both are powerful AI assistants, they are designed for fundamentally different purposes and workflows. The core distinction lies in their integration and specialization. Here is a full comparison of Copilot and ChatGPT, including features, performance, and ideal use cases. Now let's start with the core distinction, that is integration versus versatility. Let's start with the Microsoft Copilot for this. Microsoft Copilot is an integrated, task-specific AI assistant designed to live within the Microsoft ecosystem. It acts as an embedded productivity tool, providing contextual help to users of Microsoft 365, Edge, and other Microsoft services. Its primary strength is its seamless native integration. ChatGPT is a versatile, platform-agnostic AI agent designed for broad use cases, creative problem solving, and general conversation. While it can connect to other apps via APIs and plugins, its primarily interface is a standalone chat window. As you can see here, I can just type hello and it can reply like this. So it's just a standalone chat window, which is nice. Let's get to the features and performance between the two. Let's start with the first feature, which is integration and context. For Copilot, its deep integration with Microsoft 365 is its defining feature. When you are in Word, Copilot can analyze your document to draft new content or summarize existing text. In Excel, it can generate formulas, analyze data, and create charts. In Outlook, it can summarize long email threads and draft replies. This contextual awareness makes it incredibly powerful for business and office productivity. It also respects user permissions and internal policies, making it a more secure choice for enterprise use. For ChatGPT takes a more general approach. It does not automatically access your documents or emails. Instead, you manually upload files or copy or paste content into the chat interface. While this means more work for the user, it also gives ChatGPT the flexibility to work across any software, including even Google Workspace, Apple apps, and third-party tools which Copilot can't access. We also have the second feature, which is multimodality and creativity. Let's start with Copilot. With features like Copilot Vision, Copilot can interpret images and real-time visual information from a device camera, a significant advancement. However, its creative output is often described as more factual and geared toward professional, business-like content. It's excellent for drafting reports and presentations but can lack the creative flair of its competitor. For ChatGPT, it's powered by models like GPT-4o. ChatGPT is a creative powerhouse. It excels in generating long-form creative content like blog posts, video scripts, and fictional narratives. It can adapt different tones and styles, making it highly versatile for content creators and writers. It also has strong multimodal capabilities, allowing it to interpret images, audio, and more. Let's get to the third feature, that is coding. Copilot is the first one here. Microsoft's specialized product, GitHub Copilot, is the undistributed leader for real-time coding assistance. It integrates directly into IDEs like this Visual Studio Code, providing live code suggestions, auto-completions, and even entire functions based on the context of your project. For ChatGPT is better for high-level conceptual coding tasks. You can see it's writing some Python code here. Developers use it as a brainstorming partner to reason through complex problems, debug even tricky code, and generate larger code snippets from scratch based on a natural language prompt. Many developers use both tools side by side for a complete workflow. Let's get to the fourth feature, which is real-time information. For Copilot, Copilot leverages the power of Bing Search to provide real-time, up-to-the-minute information. It can pull from live web data and often provides links to its sources, making its answers more verifiable and accurate for current events or trending topics. For ChatGPT, the free version of ChatGPT has a limited knowledge base and cannot access real-time information. The paid version, that is ChatGPT Plus, has access to the web, but its integration may not be as seamless or consistently up to date as Copilot's Bing powered search. Now let's get to the use cases and my final verdict of the two. Your choice between Copilot and ChatGPT ultimately depends on your primary workflow. Just choose Microsoft Copilot if you work within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Copilot is the superior tool if your daily tasks revolve around Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. If you also need contextual, business oriented assistance, it excels at summarizing meetings, drafting emails, and analyzing data within your existing documents. If you also prioritize security and compliance for enterprise users, Copilot's adherence to a company's data permissions is a key advantage. Now, choose ChatGPT if you are a creative professional. That is, it's the best tool for brainstorming, actually, also generating creative content and crafting long form narratives. If you also need a versatile all purpose assistant, its platform agnostic nature makes it ideal for users who work across different apps and platforms. If you are also a developer who needs conceptual guidance, it's the go to tool for debugging, learning new concepts, and generating complex code snippets. This is my final verdict. The two tools are not mutually exclusive. A winning strategy for many professionals is to use Copilot for day-to-day productivity and task automation within the Microsoft suite, and ChatGPT for creative brainstorming, in-depth research, and learning new skills outside of that environment. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.